Yoga didn't start in a gym. It's a 5,000-year-old spiritual practice. Let's explore its origins. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite the body, mind, and spirit. It is an ancient practice. Yoga was first mentioned in the Rig Veda and evolved into a meditative discipline in the Upanishads around 800 BCE. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, written around 200 BCE, established the foundation of 196 phrases that guide ethical living and inner peace. For centuries, yoga was a practice reserved for monks. It was a path of self-realization, not just stretching. In the 19th century, Swami Vivekananda introduced yoga to the West, sparking a philosophical revolution. In the 20th century, Krishnamacharya, the father of modern yoga, blended poses with dynamic exercises. By the 1990s, yoga had exploded in popularity, with 300 million practitioners worldwide enjoying everything from hot yoga to gentle flow. Today, yoga brings together the body, breath, and mind. This tradition, shaped by sages, is now shared by millions. Roll out your mat and join this ancient story.